We're going to go on SiteGround website and we're going to start at this page. To get to this page here, I've left a link in my video description, and this link should take you exactly to this page that I'm looking at right now. So what I'm going to do here with SiteGround, I'm going to show you how to get a free domain name and free email service for your website. That's if you want to use the email service, but it's free. I always recommend starting with the cheapest one first. For anyone who's just starting to create their first website, or your website is just starting to be built, you're not going to need any of the other services yet. You can always upgrade later if you need those. But to begin, it's always good to start with the cheapest plan first. This plan is good for up to 10,000 visitors per month. I would select this one. Click on Get Plan. Enter your domain name in the box right here that you want for your website. After you put your domain name, click Continue. If the domain name is available to be purchased, you will get this message. After getting this message, proceed to enter in the rest of your account information. Under client information, enter your name, address, phone number, and company name. If you don't have a company name or don't want to add any name, you can just leave this field blank. Scroll down and enter your payment information under the payment section. SiteGround is recommending that you buy hosting with them for 12 months, and I think this is actually the best deal to go with. That's the one I chose as well. To turn domain privacy on, you're going to click on it here. Check these two boxes at the bottom. Review your order and click on Pay Now. That will take you to this screen telling you that your account was successfully created. Click on Proceed to Client Area. This message here is saying that you need to verify your domain name through an email that was sent to you. Check the email you used to create your SiteGround account. When you check your email, you'll see 4 emails from SiteGround. One with your receipt, a welcome email to set up your website, the email here to verify your domain name, and this one about how SiteGround should handle your personal information. Click on this email and the link inside of it to verify your domain. You'll be taken to this page here. Scroll down to the bottom, click on Verify Information. Once you're verified, you should see this. Go back to your email again and select this email about how to control your data. You'll be taken here. If you scroll down and click on the drop down, you'll see these. Don't check any of the boxes here. Just click on Save Preferences. You should get this notification that your settings were saved. After you get this notification, you can close the page. So now we're going to go back to SiteGround. Click on View Domain, then click on Refresh Status. We're doing this to remove the verification message right here. It should look like this without a verification message once you're verified.